Welcome to the Community Library Puppet Show. I am Miss Corinne, and today we're going to be doing two puppet scripts. One is Puppy, Kitty, and Cookies, and the first one is going to be There's a Bird on My Head by Mo Willems. So you'll get to see Piggy and Elephant. But first, I would like to introduce my assistant today, which is my daughter, Gina.
Hi.
So let's begin now, and I hope that you really enjoy our puppet show. Oh, Piggy! There's something on my head.
Yes, there's a bird on your head.
There's a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
There are two birds on my head? Ah! Why are there two birds on my head?
They're in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They're lovebirds.
Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds?
They made a nest.
Two birds made a nest on my head? Why would two birds make a nest on my head? If they are lovebirds and are making a nest on my head, then they are planning to have a baby birds. Oh, the family would be on my head for quite a while. I'm afraid to ask. Oh, look at my head. Do I have an egg in my head, Piggy?
1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head.
Oh, I don't want 3 eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone?
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching? The eggs are on my head are hatching?
They have hatched.
Oh, they have hatched. Oh. They've hatched. Now I have 3 baby birds on my head and 2 birds, on my head.
Well, 2 birds and a nest.
I don't want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them?
Ask them.
Okay, I will try. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Now there are no more birds on my head. Thank you very much, Piggy.
You are welcome.
The end. Okay, so next we are going to be doing Puppy and Kitty and Cookies. These cookies I have baked smell very good. And they even taste better. I will share some with my friend. Kitty, taste these cookies.
These are the best cookies I have ever eaten. You know, Puppy, I think we should stop eating. We will soon be sick.
You're right. Let's eat one last cookie and then we will stop. Kitty, let's eat one very last cookie and then we will stop. Oh, we must stop eating.
Yes, we need willpower.
What's willpower?
Willpower is trying hard not to do something that you really want to do.
You mean trying to not eat all of these cookies?
Right. I'll put these cookies in a box. There. Now we will not eat any more cookies.
But we can open the box.
That is true. I'll tie some string around the box. There. Now we will not eat any more cookies.
But we can cut the string and open the box.
That is true. I will put the box up on this high shelf. There. Now we will not eat any more cookies.
But we can climb the ladder and take the box down from the shelf and cut the string and open the box.
I'll take the box outside. Hey, birds, there are some cookies.
Oh, now we have no more cookies to eat, not even one.
Yes, but we have lots and lots of willpower.
You may keep your willpower, kitty.
Where are you going?
I'm going home to bake a cake. The end. So thank you for joining us today. And maybe you even got a little bit hungry for cookies after that last one. We'll see you next month. Thank you for joining us. Bye-bye.